In this video, we are going to learn about Mabaan history, about Mabaan culture. And so we are going to learn about girls' names in Mabaan and what they mean. Here we go. Ina. Ina. Ina means the final. Ina is a final work. Kia. 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 Kia in Mabaan is a baby chicken. Baby chicken. Ma. Ma. Ma means puffin. Ma is a puffin. Is a bird. Hoppa. Hoppa. Hoppa in Mabaan is a female hunter. Hoppa is a girl, but it is a hunter, you know. She's a hunter. Hoppa. Hoppa. Anna. Anna. Anna in Mabaan is a love or lover. Anna. 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 Anke. Anke in Mabaan is a lover. Anke. 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 Ani. 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 Ani is a love or lover in Mabaan. Anka. Anka. Anka in Mabaan is a love or lover. Anka. 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 Jele. Jele is a lioness. Jele. 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 Jele is a lioness. Nuke. Nuke. Nuke is a female killer. Nuke. 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 Yene. Yene. Yene is a giraffe. It's a giraffe in Mabaan. It's a female giraffe. Yene. Liane. 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 Liane is reptile. It's part of amphibians family. Liane. Liane. Goe. 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 Goe is a reptile. It's part of amphibians. So goe is, it's like crocodiles, like alligators. So part of amphibians. Yeah. 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 Yeah is itchy stuff, you know, like okra in Mabaan is kama, and then Ian is the itchy, so they're defensive, they're protective. That's why they're itchy. She means they're defending themselves. Yeah. Yeah. Kama. Kama. Kama is an okra. Kama is an okra. The girl names means Kama is an okra. Kama. 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 Yupa. 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 Yupa is a female hunter. Yupa is a hunter. is a girl, but she's a hunter. She's the best hunter. Goku. Goku. Goku is also amphibians, part of amphibians. So it's a reptile. Goku. Goku. Here. 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 Here is a rat. Here is a rat. It's a beautiful girl name means rat in Mabaan. Hinya. Hinya. Hinya is a rat. Hinya. Hinya is a rat. It's a glorious rat. Hinya means rat. Kelly. 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 Kelly in Mabaan is a star. Kelly is a star. Kelly. Kelly. Kella. 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 Kella is a star in Mabaan. Kella. 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 Weke. 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 Weke is a fox. Weke. 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 Fox. Weka. Weka. Weka in Sudanese or Mabaan means fox. Fox. Weka. 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 Fox. Fox. But it's a female. Names mean a female fox. Weka. 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 Hoopa. 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 Hoopa is a hunter. Hoopa is a female hunter. Hoopa again. Hoopa. Yin. 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 Yin is a beautiful girl. Yin means giraffe in Mabaan. Yin. 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 Giraffe. Honge. 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 Honge means a female desert. Honge is a female desert in Mabaan. It came from word hong, hong, hong. Honge, honge is a female desert. Ka, 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 or kali. Ka, ka means female tiger. Ka, 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 ka. Butta, butta, butta. Butta is a grasshopper. Grasshopper. Butta. Butta is a female grasshopper. Kete. Kete. Kete means a carrier. Female carrier. To carry something. Kete. 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 Jania. Jania. Jania in Mabaan is a tree. It's a beautiful tree. It's a gorgeous tree. Naginang ba? Jania. Jania. Ngenta. 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 Ngenta in Mabaan means it's a plant or tree. It's a plant that has root. You know, people grow them with sorghum together in the desert. So ngenta is like a yam that people grow, but they make the roots long, like tall, and it go deep to the, into the ground, you know, go deep. So ngenta, ngenta. Leke. Leke. Leke is a rule breaker, troublemaker. So leke means to break things, break sticks. Leke. Leke. Very strong girl. Lianya. 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 Lianya is a female elephant. Lianya. Lianya. Lianya also is a breaker. She breaks branches, like branches of trees, like trunks. So she is strong too. Tina. Tina. Tina means early development. So Tina also is the earth, part of the earth that lie beneath, the other layers of the earth. So tin is the earth, so where you have to dig down, like deeper, you dig down deeper to find it, and you build your house from it. So you make your house to be smooth inside. So you have to find a younger earth beneath the earth, and that's teen in Mabaan, meaning early development. Still a young teen, younger earth.